This is the awesome pop-up tent truck from Kidzery, and it's an ice cream truck. It's very easy to go up. Kept nice and secure in this wonderful carry bag. When you take it out, you just let it fold out and then keep folding it out. Grab the inside and just pull it out. Inside, pull it out. Beep, beep. Oh, look at that. You have the windscreen here support rod held together with an elastic. Put it in together. And then right here, there's a little Velcro tab. Open it up. Slide him all the way in. Close the Velcro back over. That keeps compression support for the front. We have little zipper doors for the kids to climb in and out of. Stand up in the top. There are all these awesome ice cream scoops and desserts for them to play with. There's also a QR code that links to your ice cream menu. So you can download and print your fast food menu sheet from this link here. And there's simple instructions for you to look at and follow, but basically the tent pops out by itself for the most part. Inside the door, there's a little button that goes in this pouch right here, and to push it, just remove the tab from beneath the battery and so that sits right in there for them to be able to just push with their foot. Doot, doot, ice cream. Doot, doot, ice cream. The back of the truck has a license plate, oh yum, and it has a Velcro blind that can just be untucked, rolled up, and tied up at the top here for in and out access on the back.